doggy. Her name is Roxy. I heard go. Do you want us to leave? Oh my. I just heard something over there. Fall or something. It said yeah.
Ask that question.
It sounded like a...
Ask them if they can say Roxy or something.
I can hear something. Echoes?
Roxy. Shh.
How many spirits are with us or in this cemetery? Wow. I feel like we're moving. We're recording a video. If there's anything you want to say, we will share it online. Why? Did you say why? Wow. To help save, to help anyone that needs to get...
Does anybody need to talk to some family members?
Would anybody like to speak to anyone in their family? Sounds like I hear get out.
That was a demon.
Would you
You're
like
not-
us to leave?
You're not allowed in this car. You're not allowed to follow us home. We have God protecting us.
I heard somebody say thank you. If you did, you're welcome. People need to see that there are spirits still walking.
Are you crossed over?
Have you crossed over but you're still here still? Or you stay here? Is anybody in any harm? Did someone just say my name?
I just heard Amy.
They said us. How do you know our names?
Told you it was real. Roxy sees something.
Do you see people, Rox? We're listening. We're trying to record you. I see things moving. Definitely. Is there anything that you want to be recorded? I definitely see something moving right. Please do not come in the car. You do not. We just want to stay here. We'll record you.
We need to go.
Okay, we're gonna go for now. Thank you so much.
Hit stop. Say goodbye.
Goodbye. Thank you so much.